Hello viewers, this is a cycle dynamo which were used in cycles in old days. It produced 12 volt of AC current with 6 watt of power. So today I will show you what were the components of these dynamos. This is the external casing of the dynamo. In this case, all the components of the dynamo were enclosed. Another important component inside the dynamo is this magnet which used to rotate between the coil inside the dynamo. When this magnet rotates between the coil, it produces electricity. Now I will show you how this magnet was fitted in this dynamo's casing. Just see how it was fitted and how it rotates in this casing. Now you can see that this magnet is fitted tightly inside this casing and it is rotating freely in this casing. Of this dynamo is the coil between which magnet rotates and produces electricity. You can see that copper wire is wrapped around every seat of this metal, and each coil is connected with each other. This connecting wire is clearly visible here. Okay, here and the two terminals lastly, from which we have to connect wire to get electricity. Now I will show you how this coil was fitted inside this dynamo. So now you can clearly see that this coil has been fitted in this dynamo and these two wires are side from where outward connecting wires will be connected. Now you can see that this magnet is rotating inside the dynamo. Okay, so the concept is, when the wheel of the cycle rotates, it will rotate this rotator, which will rotate the magnet between the coil, and electricity will be produced.